Hey yo, what's up everybody? How are you doing? This is Bayo Adio, the Nigerian nomad. I currently travel full-time with my family and I share interesting and unique experiences that I come across along the way. Whether it's an Airbnb, whether it's about food, whether it's about culture, whether it's investment opportunities, I just share a lot of those things. If you're interested in those things, feel free to subscribe to my channel. I've been blogging a lot about Nigeria and Africa in general, but now I'm in Europe visiting family, so I decided to do a little bit of vlogging. So today is to give you guys a review of an Airbnb in the middle of Paris, France. Literally, you can see the Eiffel Tower from here. So I'm actually on the balcony, guys. Let me give you guys a view of what I see. There's like a lot of boats that goes through there, ferries. There's a waterway. There is the Statue of Liberty right there. I don't know if you guys can see it. And then look at this. There is the Eiffel Tower right here. So this is where I'm at. This is the balcony. So yeah, so you literally can be here and have a nice view of the area. All right, now back to me. So what I want to do is I want to just take you guys on a tour around this Airbnb. This place was, I think, $125 a night, but literally it's for one room rental. But we did it just to kind of come and experience Paris, France in a very intimate way. We wanted to be in the middle. So I'm going to start with the bedroom, show you guys the entrance, the bathroom, and then the living room. But the space is so well designed. Let's go check it out. Alright guys, so here's the bedroom. What I love about this is you can literally wake up in the morning, walk outside, and enjoy your cup of coffee. So I think that's really cool. And then at night, it's so amazing. You can see all the lights and everything. So that's that. So here's the room. There's a little bit of a work desk there for you guys that work on the go. There's the bed right there. They have a little bit of TV, and then they have this space for storage where you can put your bags, your items, and all that stuff. All right, so now let's go to the hallway. So that is the entrance of the Airbnb. You would have to catch an elevator and then come up here. And then now let me walk you guys through the main entrance. So I'm going to take you guys through the restroom so you can see. This is the hallway. They have a toilet. Typically in French, I'm seeing that the toilet and the shower is usually in separate rooms. So there's that. And then the next room here is your shower. So I love the use of space, of course, because they have this door slides in and out rather than opening it, because this is such a small space anyway. And then you can hang your towels here, and that is the shower. Look at the rainfall showers, so cool. And here is the hand washing base. So yeah, that is the restroom. In this hallway, there's a few little surprises. Everything looks hidden. They have the washer and dryer and stuff here. And then they have another storage systems here. Just a nice designed space. It looks slick, so it's not like obvious that something is there. So that is this hallway. And then let me take you guys through the kitchen. Boom. So there's the kitchen. Everything is white. Interesting design here. The fridge is actually hidden behind here. So yeah, and they have pictures over there. You have a toilet paper, foil paper. You have storage for cups. Coffee maker is here. Let me see. Microwave, oven, stovetop, bread. You have everything that you need, and a nice countertop here. Now this area is where we had breakfast this morning. This host actually makes breakfast for their guests, which is cool. So we had like croissant, baguette, butter, jelly, a thing of fruits, coffee, milk. It was just so nice. But anyways, this is where like we ate, and you guys can see the view, the big windows throughout the place, from the bedroom to the dining area. And this is the living room here. You guys can see. There you go. Guys, so that is the tour of the Airbnb. It's simple, it's elegant, it's high luxury. There's just a lot of small details that I like in terms of how they use the space. But yeah, what do you guys think of this Airbnb? Share your comments underneath the video below. I own a few Airbnbs, and I'm getting a few, and I talk a lot about the Airbnb in Nigeria lately. So it's good to be in another country to see how they set up their Airbnb. But honestly, guys, the property inside is amazing. The bed is comfortable, but what they're selling is this. This is what you pay for, guys. They also have some balloon. Do you guys see that? Some people are doing like a balloon flying up there. There's like a little bit of a walking trail. There's a shopping center there. There's buildings. You can literally walk to the Eiffel Tower. You can cross the road, walk there. And at 1 o'clock, you can come here. The Eiffel Tower lights, it changes into like a sparkling white light, and it sparkles and it does all of its thing that it does. So anyways, guys, that is a review of this Airbnb. So maybe if you come to France, you will have a place to come and check out if you wanted to go out on a romantic getaway, and this place is available. You can book it. I will put their link underneath this video. The family is very nice, husband and wife, and they have 2 small little kids. They're mainly around at night. They come to enjoy their space, but typically during the day that they're gone. So you can literally have sometimes the whole space to yourself anyways. So yeah, that's all I have to share. If you have any questions, comment underneath this video. And if you want more videos like this, make sure to subscribe to my channel. And lastly, remember to rise and let your light shine. Peace.